यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें। साइंस एक्सप्रेस बायोडाइवर्सिटी स्पेशल बेल्लारी से चुकी हुई खड़की स्टेशन प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 3 पर आ रही है। यह गाड़ी 52 स्टेशनों से होकर पूरे भारतवर्ष में घूमेगी।
सुप्रभात। आप देख रहे हैं सारे बच्चों की भीड़। ये बच्चे इंतजार कर रहे हैं उस ट्रेन का जिस ट्रेन ने कल 14 सितंबर को अपने 10 लाख विजिटर पूरे किए हैं। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ साइंस एक्सप्रेस बायोडाइवर्सिटी स्पेशल की, जो कि पिछले 5 जून को दिल्ली से शुरू हुई थी और देश के अलग अलग हिस्सों से होती हुई खड़की स्टेशन पहुँची है।
बुलाओ बच्चों।
ठीक है। क्या हाल है?
साइंस एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन एक यूनिक ट्रेन है। इसको भारत सरकार के विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी मंत्रालय ने स्पेशल फैब्रिकेट करवाया है रेल मंत्रालय से। इसमें शुरू में जो एग्जीबिशन लगाई गई थी, जिसको मैक्स प्लैंक सोसाइटी के कुछ नोबेल पुरस्कार विजेताओं ने एक एग्जीबिशन बनाई थी, एक प्रदर्शनी जो सारी दुनिया में दिखाई गई है, जिसका नाम है साइंस टनल। साइंस टनल को भारत में लाया जाना था 2006 में और 7 में, कि पूरी साइंस टनल को दोबारा डिज़ाइन और फैब्रिकेट इस तरह किया कि उसको रेलवे कोचेस में लगाया जा सके, ताकि इसको ज़्यादा जगह पे ले जाया जाए और ज़्यादा लोग इसका बेनिफिट उठा सकें। उसको 2007 30 अक्टूबर को भारत के प्रधानमंत्री माननीय श्री मनमोहन सिंह और जर्मन की चांसलर डॉक्टर एंगेला मर्केल ने हरी झंडी दिखाकर रवाना किया नई दिल्ली से, और तब से ये ट्रेन 5 साल से इस पूरे देश का 4 बार पूरा भ्रमण कर चुकी है। 222 जगह पे इसको रोका गया 3 से 4 दिन के लिए, और 801 दिन के प्रदर्शनी दिनों में 63.5 लाख लोगों ने इसका आनंद उठाया।
Hey Dan, have you heard about the camel that swims? Or deserts in Himalayas?
Deserts in Himalayas.
I know, it sounds fantastic, right? Ever heard about a crab with 9 eyes?
9 eyes, no.
One more question. Or a crab which can climb up a coconut tree? One more. Or flowers that bloom once in 12 years?
This I know, Neelakurinji.
Yeah, that's correct.
Isn't that endangered to the Western Ghats?
Oh Dan, how many times to tell you? It's not endangered, it's endemic. Hi friends, these are some of the exciting questions which you will come across while walking through the beautiful train Science Express Biodiversity Special.
तो सबसे पहले हम इतने ज़्यादा बायोडाइवर्सिटी रिच कंट्री हैं, इसको समझना हमारे ही देश में अगर लोग इस चीज़ को समझेंगे तो फिर उनके दिमाग में ये जाएगा कि हम बहुत संपन्न हैं और इसमें इतनी भविष्य की संभावनाएं छुपी हुई हैं। तो हम फिर हमारा इंडिविजुअल कमिटमेंट क्या होगा, हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल कमिटमेंट क्या होगा, इंस्टीट्यूशनल कमिटमेंट क्या होगा कि हम इसको बचाएं। 8 कोचेज हैं जो मिनिस्ट्री और DST ने जिसमें कि अपनी एक बहुत बड़ी सहभागिता का परिचय दिया है, वो एक ऐसा कोलैबोरेशन है जो कि ऐसे मुद्दे को जनता के बीच में लेके जा रहा है जो कि उनके सीधे सीधे उनके स्वास्थ्य और उनकी खाद्यान्न सुरक्षा से जुड़ा हुआ है।
I can tell you for a fact, I'm just talking about myself out here because I cannot talk in general about everybody. Before I hopped onto the train, I exactly never knew what biodiversity means, what exactly is the geography of India, all forgotten. I did not know how rich India is. I did not know there's really a crab with 9 eyes or a crab which can climb up a coconut tree. When I entered, when I walked through the train, I was like, whoa, this is something really wow. And in this entire process of these 5 months, you know, we questioning each other, coming out with new reports or coming out with new discoveries, discussing, it's really, really enriched that knowledge in me.
That's the thing, you know? When you walk through the train, in just 1 hour, you will get to know not just about plants and animals, but you will get to know about the microscopic organisms that make our lives livable. The variety of tribes, indigenous people living in the country. You know, none of us living in the cities would ever imagine that the people in non-urban, non-developed areas are actually conserving biodiversity without even knowing the meaning of biodiversity.
When we are traveling along the train, when we come across these small villages, this town, and we interact with the people, they really love biodiversity. They really want to care. They really are curious to know about different ways. They come up to us with like, if you could help us, if you could tell us what we can do. And people really want to take that step forward. People really are getting aware.
Or that Coach 10 May, you have that 3 boxes where we show how plastic bottles can become fleece blankets or fleece jackets. You know, that really opens people's minds.
I remember one of the girls in Assam. She actually asked me, ma'am, is there a way I can collect these plastic bottles and get back to you with it? And I was so touched with that question of hers. I'm like, yeah, for sure, you know, like possibly we can try to work on something.
Conserving biodiversity, reducing pollution, reducing wastage, decreasing the use of plastics. I think at the end of the day, that's the message of the train.
We cannot just bombard them with the problems. We are here even to provide a very systematic solution as well. And solution along with the problems, I think will go really long way. And these solutions may sound very simple, very minor, but I think these are the ones which we need to start with. We're talking about foundation out here, and I think these are the cornerstones.
The main value addition or the main unique feature of this exhibition is it is a well interpreted exhibition interpreted by our science communicators, and not only they explain the contents of the exhibits to the visitors as far as possible in their local language, but they also attempt to answer the questions posed by the visitors, and as and when they don't know the answers, they request those students to write down their questions, and in a few days time we try to do research, try to find those answers and send those answers to those students by email, and also post those answers on our website.
16 डिब्बों की वातानुकूलित ट्रेन है, जिसमें 13 डिब्बों में प्रदर्शनी है। जो 13 प्रदर्शनी है उसमें 8 कोच में जैव विविधता के बारे में बताया गया है। जो पूरा जो अंदर विवरण है ये भारत के संदर्भ में बताया गया है, और ये कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ पार्टीज़, यूनाइटेड नेशंस की जो कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ पार्टीज़ होने वाली है अक्टूबर 8 से 19 अक्टूबर 2012 तक, जिसकी मेज़बानी भारत कर रहा है। तो उस उपलक्ष्य में इस ट्रेन को हैदराबाद में 11 दिन के लिए रखा जाएगा, और जो जैव विविधता भारत में बसी है उसको अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर भी पेश किया जाएगा।
This exhibition comprises various topics on biodiversity, climate change, water, energy, and different aspects of developments in the field of science. In addition to this exhibition in the 12 coaches, we have a teachers training facility where teachers are oriented on environment and different aspects of science. And there is a Joy of Science lab, which is basically a lab hosting several experiments in environment science and different subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics. Students in small batches of 20-25 conduct experiments to understand the different difficult concepts in science and environment basically. In addition to all this, there are several activities going on the platform, and on the platform there are activities like drawing competition, there are activities like quiz competition, there are activities like signing a pledge for conserving biodiversity. There are some schools who cannot, for whatever reason, who cannot visit the exhibition. So for such schools in a radius of about 15-20 kilometers, our team actually goes, a team of science communicator goes to those schools and conduct outreach activities in those schools.
Beauty of this mathematics, geometry and physics in our real life. So one sort of the coordination, many times we coordinate ourselves. We speak many times in the classroom.
अब तक पहुंच रहे हैं धीरे धीरे. जैसे आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं बैक्टीरिया का डिवीजन होता है 1 से 2, 2 से 4, 4 से 8. हम ज्योमेट्रिक सीरीज पढ़ते हैं 1 2 4 8.
Oh, so this would just ignite the child's mind. Next time when you're done.
The volunteers did a great job. I think spending 7 months on a train, or how many months it takes, to travel across the country to spread awareness and message about diversity and help in education in a popular sense. If I was younger, I would totally be a volunteer as well. I wish it had been there when I was a student as well.
It's fantastic. Like absolutely loved it. Yeah, we just wish if you can get more time to actually watch every compartment, that would be great. But I think we enjoyed it. We really enjoyed it.
This was a fantastic and unique exhibit, and the exhibition was incredibly well made. I was also very impressed by the number of visitors, all these children from school. When we organize such exhibit in Switzerland, usually there are not so many people. I have never seen so many people in an exhibit. So a great experience. If I can, I will come again.
साइंस एक्सप्रेस में स्वागत है
जी हाँ बहुत स्वागत है ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਐਕਸਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਬਾਇਓਡਾਇਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਵਿੱਚ
आपको साइंस एक्सप्रेस हार्दिक स्वागतम
എല്ലാവർക്കും സയൻസ് എക്സ്പ്രസിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം
સુસ્વાગત સાયન્સ એક્સપ્રેસ બાયોડાયવર્સિટી સ્પેશિયલ સાયન્સ એક્સપ્રેસમાં આપનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે
आला साइंस एक्सप्रेस में आपका इस्तकबाल है.
सायन्स एक्सप्रेस उंगल अनेवரையும் அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறது. सायन्स एक्सप्रेस मध्ये तुमचे स्वागत आहे.
జీవ వైవిధ్య ప్రత్యేక రైలు ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి స్వాగతం పలుకుతున్నది.
साइंस एक्सप्रेस আমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত জানাই.
वेलकम टू साइंस एक्सप्रेस बायोडायवर्सिटी स्पेशल. साइंस एक्सप्रेस बायोडायवर्सिटी स्पेशल में आप सभी का स्वागत